Hello everyone. So today we are going to see this question that is contains duplicates in the LeetCode. So here we have given a array called nums return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, otherwise return false if every element is distinct. So let us understand first this problem. So we have given this array and we have to print true if at least one value is occurs twice. That means there should be one value in the given array whose frequency should be greater than or equals to 2. In that case we have to return true. Otherwise, if the frequency of all the elements, all the numbers present in the array is 1, in that case we have to return the false. So let's suppose here example. In this array you can see that 1 has a frequency 2, 2 has a frequency 1, 3 has a frequency 1. So in this 1 has a frequency 2. So that means we can return true because this array has one element which is having frequency greater than equals to 2. In this next case you can say that 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the numbers have only one frequency. That means all the numbers are distinct. So if the numbers in the array are distinct, in that case we have to return false, right? So this is false. Now here we will get true. Why? Because we can see that one has a frequency greater than 2. So one is here, one has a frequency 3. In that case we will return true. If the array has the element and each element have frequency 1, that is all the elements in the array have a frequency 1 and that are unique, in that case we can return false. So let's suppose let's see how can we solve this. So here we'll take hash set of integer hs equals to new hash set. The next thing what we will do, for we'll iterate through this loop I equal to 0 to nums dot length then I plus plus. In this here we'll check the condition. If hash set dot contains the nums of I, in that case we'll return true. Otherwise hs dot add nums of I. And after this for loop, if it is not written from this for loop, in that case we should return false. Now let us understand how it will work. So let's suppose we have a array 1, 2, 3 and 1. So first of all what will happen, it will go to the 1. It will check whether in the hash set 1 is available. No. So hash set, in the hash set 1 will be added. Then next it will go to the 2. It will check in the if condition 2 is present. No. So it will add into the this hash set. It will go to the 3. 3 is not present in the hash set, so 3 will be also added. Now whenever it will come to 1, it will see that this condition will be true and here we will return true because in the hash set 1 is already true, 1 is already present, and so we can say that we found the one element which is occurring twice in the array. So in that case we will return true. Now let's see the example next. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. So first in the hash set 1 is not present, so 1 will be added. 2 is also not present, 2 will be added. 3 is also not present, 3 will be added. 4 is also not present, 4 will be added. So we'll iterate through this, then it will come to outside the for loop and it will return false. So if there is a element which occurs twice, in that case we will return from here, otherwise it will come outside the for loop and will return false. So in this case we will return false. Now let's see this example. Now here we will only go to the traverse only 2 times. That means we will only traverse this first and second element. How? First it will see 1, 1 is not present, so hash set 1 will be added, right? Then it will go to the second position. Then it will see that 1 is already present in the array, so it will, this condition will be true, and from here we'll return true. That means whenever we'll see there is a element which occurs twice, in that case we'll return from that, we'll not traverse all this remaining array. So now let us run this code. Run the code. Here we can say accepted. Now submit. It should be submitted. So here we got error. Let me see details. Here we got the server error. Let me submit again. Now it is submitted. Previously it was a server error. So here we can see it is submitted successfully. So by using hash set, we can solve this question.